Your dog loves you more than anything in the world, but do they really know how much you love them? You can say, "I love you" 1,000 times, but to your furry friend, actions speak louder than words. But don't worry. Today we're breaking down 10 powerful ways to show your dog just how much they mean to you. It's not just about treats or belly rubs, it's about making them feel safe, happy, and truly loved in a way they actually understand. Stick around, because once you start doing these, you'll see that love reflected right back at you. Number 10, let your dog be a dog. If you want to show your dog that you love them, remember that they have their own instincts. We often treat our dogs like babies and forget that they have a unique way of experiencing the world. For us, a walk is just part of the daily routine, but for them, it's an adventure filled with exciting scents, hidden messages, and silent conversations left behind by other dogs. That's why they stop to sniff every tree, roll in the grass, or suddenly dart after a butterfly. This isn't bad behavior, it's instinct. If we constantly stop them from doing these things, they may feel frustrated, confused, or even unhappy. The key is to see the world through your dog's eyes, because that's one of the best ways to tell them, "I love you." So let them sniff, roll, and explore. After all, happiness for a dog isn't just about being loved, it's about being understood. Number 9, pet them the right way. Petting isn't just a way to show affection, it's a powerful way to bond with your dog. The area behind their ears is known as a nerve center, and a gentle scratch there can trigger a wave of relaxation and happiness. When you pet your dog with full attention, they don't just feel the physical touch, they feel safe, loved, and connected to you. But don't stop at the ears. The underside of the neck, chest, and back are also great places to pet, and each dog has their own favorite spot. Some love a good belly rub, while others prefer a slow stroke down their back. Pay attention to their body language, and you'll quickly learn what they enjoy most. Petting isn't just for them, it benefits you too. Studies show that stroking a dog can lower stress, reduce blood pressure, and even boost mood. And the best part? The love you give through your touch comes right back to you. Because when your dog feels happy and safe, so do you. Number 8, cuddle time equals bonding time. Few things in life feel as good as cuddling up with your dog. That warm, fuzzy feeling when they curl up next to you? It's not just comforting, it's a powerful way to strengthen your bond. Dogs are pack animals by nature, and physical closeness gives them a sense of safety and belonging. When your pup leans into you, snuggles on the couch, or rests their head on your lap, they're not just looking for warmth, they're showing trust. Science backs it up too. Studies show that dogs who sleep near their owners feel more secure and relaxed, as touch helps lower stress levels for both you and your pup. If your dog loves cuddling, embrace it. These moments mean the world to them, and they're a simple yet powerful way to say, "I love you." Number 7, speak your dog's language. Dogs may not talk, but they're always communicating. You just have to know how to listen. Their body language reveals how they feel, what they want, and when they need space. For example, some dogs don't enjoy hugs or kisses the way humans do, while others may feel uneasy when there's too much excitement, loud noises, or unfamiliar guests. A wagging tail doesn't always mean they're happy, and a yawn isn't always about being tired. It can be a sign of stress or discomfort. When you learn to read these subtle signals, you can avoid unnecessary stress and make your dog feel truly understood. And that's the key to building a relationship based on trust and mutual respect. Understanding dog body language is one of the best ways to strengthen your bond. Check out the video in the top right corner to learn how to read your dog's signals more effectively. Number 6, play with them the right way. For dogs, play isn't just about burning energy, it's one of the purest ways they connect with you. Whether it's a game of tug of war, fetch, or chase, every playful moment strengthens your bond and reinforces their trust in you. But here's the key. Playtime should be fun for them, not just for you. Some dogs love an intense tug battle, while others prefer a good game of hide and seek or a puzzle toy that makes them think. Pay attention to what excites your dog the most and engage with them in a way that makes them feel truly understood. Because at the end of the day, the best reward isn't the game itself. It's the joy of playing it with you. Number 5, let them explore the world. For a dog, the world is full of exciting scents, new sights, and endless adventures just waiting to be discovered. A simple walk around the block is great, but nothing compares to the thrill of exploring somewhere new. Whether it's a forest trail, a sandy beach, or even a pet-friendly cafe, giving your dog fresh experiences keeps their mind sharp and their spirit happy. Exploration isn't just about fun, it's essential for their well-being. New environments challenge their senses, reduce boredom, and boost their confidence. A dog that gets to explore is more engaged, better socialized, and overall happier. Every new adventure strengthens your bond, showing them, "I love spending time with you, and I want you to enjoy life to the fullest." Number 4, let your face speak for you. Dogs are incredible at reading human emotions, and they don't just listen to what we say, they watch our faces too. Studies have shown that dogs can recognize facial expressions and respond to them just like we do. A raised eyebrow, a warm smile, or even the way your eyes light up when you see them can make a huge difference in how they feel. The next time you come home, try greeting your dog with a big, genuine smile. They may not understand the words, "I missed you," but they'll definitely pick up on the happiness in your face. Number 3, show your love through food. For dogs, food isn't just about filling their bellies, it's a language of love. A special treat made just for them can turn an ordinary day into something exciting. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Even a simple homemade snack or their favorite treat will make their tail wag with pure joy. Offering food isn't just about nutrition, it's about showing them you care and that their happiness matters to you. If you're short on time, natural treats like a ham bone, a dehydrated chew, or even a frozen peanut butter lick can be great alternatives. Just be sure to choose safe, dog-friendly options and always supervise snack time. A well-fed dog is a happy dog, but a dog that knows they're human puts thought into their meals, that's a dog that feels truly loved. Number 2, strengthen your bond with eye contact. In the dog world, long eye contact can be a sign of dominance or even a challenge, but with their trusted human, it's something completely different. It's a sign of love, trust, and connection. When your dog looks into your eyes, they're not just staring aimlessly. They're trying to understand you, read your emotions, and feel closer to you. And here's the fascinating part. Scientific research has proven that holding eye contact with your dog increases oxytocin levels, also known as the love hormone. This is the same chemical that strengthens bonds between parents and their babies. Number 1, make every moment count. Life gets busy. Between work, responsibilities, and endless distractions, it's easy to forget how much our presence means to them. But while we have jobs, hobbies, and social lives, our dogs have only us. To them, we are their entire world, and every moment spent together is priceless. A game of fetch, a peaceful walk, or simply sitting together in comfortable silence strengthens your bond in ways words never could. Dogs are deeply social creatures, and your time is the greatest gift you can give them. So, don't let the rush of daily life push these moments aside. Put down your phone, be present, and soak in the time you have with them. Because one day, those belly rubs, playful zoomies, and quiet cuddles will be the memories you cherish the most. We've covered 10 powerful ways to show your dog you love them, but there's always more to learn about strengthening your bond. Want to understand your dog's behavior even better? Tap the video on your screen and keep exploring. You might be surprised at what their actions really mean.